but you can see how their water's coming out of here. It's a flawed design. Hey, Brent here from Older Home Specialists, and here's a little review about leaf filters. This is the reason why Robert Sherwood took the time to engineer a leaf filter that actually works correctly. So this is a brand new install by a popular gutter company, and this is their leaf filter right here. And you can see how the water, this is only a hose coming down, but you can see how their water's coming out of here. It's a flawed design. The holes are too small on the inside. They got sharp metal edges. You're going to draw back a nub if you try and clean that thing out. Look at the water coming out of there. Now, this is our patented French Drain Man leaf filter right here. And you can see how well this is performing right here. This has been engineered in order to perform well. Robert thought about every single thing on this. He designed it, redesigned it. He got it exactly how he wanted. This captures all of the water. This has a clean out on the inside. It has a vent to help break siphon. These are all important components to having something that is going to perform the way that you want. So not all leaf filters are the same. So you can see the water flowing straight through there. This is the clean out that we have that can pop out. This is the vent in order to help break siphon. Everything's been designed. I seen Sam running these in Florida in some heavy torrential rains, and you'd be surprised the amount of water they get coming off there. So not all leaf filters are going to perform the same. Look at that thing. Brand new install. Look at it. They ought to be ashamed. So choose wisely. So when you're talking about a leaf filter that is designed in order to perform well, form follows function. And there's certain things that a leaf filter needs to do. First of all, a lot of people don't realize when water's coming down a downspout, there's a lot of velocity coming down. And if the gutter itself is full of water, at what point does it break siphon? The same way that you take a glass of water and you put a straw in it, put your finger over the end, lift it up, water doesn't go anywhere. As soon as you release it, it breaks siphon. You're introducing air into the line. So the first thing that we have on this leaf filter is a vent. This helps break siphon under torrential rains. It's important. Secondly, our leaf filters are obviously made out of high-density polyethylene. They are designed in order to not crack, which is important. We also have the perfect spacing in between the grates so that it allows as much of the water to go through as fast as possible. And lastly, we have a clean out installed so that you can take and turn the circle, pull it out, and now you have a way to flush out the line and also to do camera inspections. These actually look really nice when they're installed correctly at the right height. And of course, they come in different sizes. We have 2x3, we have 3x4, we have 4-inch round, and they also come in black as well as white. These also can be painted the same color as your house. A lot of my clients have done that, and I did that at my house, and it worked out very well.